Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix voicemail not working on Infinix GT30. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system. After click on system, click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. Click on reset, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, click on settings app. Now in setting, click on app management. Click on app list. After click on app list, scroll down and search voicemail from here. Search voicemail, for example, this is voicemail, and click on storage and cache. If you want to fix these problems, clear cache voicemail, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.